Exponents. Now, we know we're working with exponents when we have a number written down with a smaller number written up above and to the right of it. Okay, so that's when we have what's called our exponents, because we have our base number down here and the number up here, which is actually called superscript, because it's written above the others and smaller. It's our exponent. And anytime we see exponents, we know we're going to use multiplication. Okay, we know we're going to use multiplication. And this exponent shows us how many times to multiply the base number by itself. Okay, so you see this written like this, and it's read 4 to the third power. See, 4 to the third power. And this shows us that we're going to use 4 as a factor 3 times when we make our multiplication expression or a multiplication sentence. So as you see, since we have 4 to the third power, 4 times 4 times 4. See how we have 3 different 4s, and that's what the exponent is showing us what to do. Now I can simplify that and multiply my 4 by my 4 and get 16, and I still have to multiply by this 4, but 4 times 4 times 4 is the same as 16 times 4, and that equals 64. So when you see 4 to the third power, our answer is 64. We know this because we have our base number of 4 and our exponent of 3. We have our 4 as a factor 3 different times. Okay, let me show you another one. Okay, 5 to the second power, or 5 squared. We're going to use multiplication, and we're going to use 5 as a factor 2 times in our multiplication sentence. Okay, 5 times 5 equals 25. See how we have our 5 2 different times in our multiplication expression, because we're using 5, which is our base number, as a factor 2 times. Okay. Let me show one more. 3 to the fourth power. Our base number is 3, our exponent's 4. So we are going to use 3 as a factor 4 different times in our multiplication sentence. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, and I'm going to simplify that. And 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, we know because of the commutative property of multiplication that it doesn't matter what order we multiply them in. So then we have 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, so remember, exponents. Anytime you see a smaller number written up and to the right, that is our exponent. Then we take our base number and make a multiplication sentence or a multiplication expression in which we use it as a factor the same number of times as the exponent. So in this case it's 4 times. We have a multiplication sentence that we have 4 different times. Alright?